Is your broker safe, transparent, and globally regulated? Many Indian traders lose money not because of bad trades, but because they choose the wrong broker. High fees, poor execution, weak transparency, or unreliable withdrawals. That's why in this video, we'll focus on globally regulated Forex brokers that are commonly used by Indian traders and explain why choosing the right broker is critical in today's trading environment. Before choosing any Forex broker, Indian traders must understand the legal context. In India, Forex trading is regulated by the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, under FEMA regulations. Indian residents are officially permitted to trade only INR-based currency pairs on Indian exchanges like NSE and BSE. The brokers discussed in this video are offshore Forex brokers regulated in other jurisdictions. They are commonly used by Indian traders, but they are not regulated by SEBI or RBI. Traders should understand this distinction and trade at their own discretion. Indian traders should focus on these key factors before choosing any broker. Regulation and safety. Choose brokers regulated by top-tier global authorities such as ASIC, FCA, and SISEC. Trading platforms. Look for brokers offering MT4, MT5, TradingView, KTrader. Spreads and trading costs. Lower spreads and transparent commission structures help reduce trading costs over time. Leverage options. High leverage increases both potential profit and risk. Reliable brokers offer flexible leverage with proper risk controls. Deposit and withdrawal. Ensure smooth deposit methods, consistent withdrawal processing, clear fee policies, customer support, and learning tools. Beginner-friendly brokers provide demo accounts, educational materials, and responsive support. Here are the best Forex brokers in India in 2026. FP Markets, 8cap, Tickmill, IC Markets, FX Pro, FBS, Focus Markets, XM, AXI, HFM. Check the link in the description below to open an account with the best Forex brokers in India for 2026. These are the top Forex brokers in India for 2026, offering low spreads, fast execution, and powerful trading platforms for traders of all levels. First, FP Markets. Highly regulated with tight spreads and fast execution. It supports MT4 and MT5. Suitable for scalpers and experienced traders. Second, 8cap. Strong global regulation and low trading costs. It provides a clean trading environment. Good for beginners and intermediate traders. At number 3 is Tickmill. Known for low commissions and institutional-grade execution. Well suited for active and strategy-based traders. Number 4 on our list is IC Markets. Offers deep liquidity and very low spreads. Ideal for advanced and algorithmic traders. At number 5, FX Pro. Focuses on execution quality and transparency. Preferred by long-term and professional traders. Coming in at number 6 is FBS. Popular among beginners due to low minimum deposits, flexible account types. Best for beginners and flexible traders. At number 7, we have Focus Markets. A newer broker offering MT5 with competitive spreads and transparent pricing. Best for traders exploring modern, emerging brokers. Rounding out our list at number 8 is XM. strong educational resources and demo accounts. Widely used by beginner traders globally. Number 9. We have AXI. Low spreads, solid execution, and strong global regulation. Suitable for serious traders seeking consistency. Number 10 on our list is HFF. Strong global regulation and competitive trading costs. Offers a reliable and flexible trading environment. Suitable for beginners and intermediate traders. Choosing the right Forex broker is one of the most important decisions an Indian trader can make. In 2026, focus on global regulation, transparent pricing, execution quality, risk management. Always do your own research and trade responsibly. For opening an account with the mentioned brokers on the video, please visit www.topfxbrokersreview.com. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe for more trading breakdowns. Trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see you in the next one.